Everybody, welcome back to part 2 of this series, part 1 in the actual games. I'm Seth.
And I'm Brayden.
And this is part 1 where we are at home hosting both the Steelers and Bills for episode 1. Just to recap, for the game format, we're going to be playing on All Pro until either the start of the playoffs or just the Super Bowl, where we will do all Madden, 5-minute quarters, and I will be playing the moments. We are the New York Jets. We're going to skip
And
the
we're the
weekly...
Cleveland Browns.
Okay. And yeah. Looks like we're going to be wearing those uniforms.
Dang, they got all freaking X Factors, but we also got all X Factors.
Josh Allen, Jamar Chase, C.D. Lamb, and it is raining in MetLife. Wow, it is soaking wet out there. Oh no. This is our first game. This is what I gotta play in our first game.
That's heavy rain.
Why is C.D. Lamb a superstar? So Brees Hall, I think I've played in this once. Okay, this is gonna really be a run game.
Just wait until you have to play in heavy snow.
Brees Hall is gonna take it in. And we don't have to come in on defense. Until now. So Jalen Carter is our only D lineman right now that we acquired. Joey Porter on the coverage. Couldn't lock him. And we get him behind the line, and it's Joey Porter making up for that allowed first and goal. We're going to adjust this coverage, and we're actually going to blitz.
15 seconds until...
He dropped it. Third and goal.
Or until halftime.
And I think we're just going to do man coverage. Jermaine Johnson. Jalen Carter. Middle right. Warren stays on his feet and goes out of bounds. Looks like the Steelers are just going to snag some points. We got Quentin Lake, one of the field goal guys.
4 seconds left.
And we're coming back on defense.
They need the 24-yard line as they come up for third down. From the gun.
And we get through.
He slipped trying to back up.
Will McDonald. Jalen Carter. Looks like he went for the toes. We're coming back in on defense. If they score, I'm going to turn off. Swaysinger! Carson Swaysinger, one of the rookies. Brayden gave me the option to pick. And he's in for his first career sack. One of the starting linebackers. It wasn't expected to be a pretty game. I mean, it is pouring here in New York. But we're going to try to end it. Brees Hall has been the man. I haven't passed it yet in this game, but we are going to right here.
Yeah, Dad.
And it's going to be intercepted because I could not see where I was taking Brees Hall. But it's going to allow me to play defense immediately. We have not seen Abdul Carter. This is Jalen Carter right here.
They send Firemouth, the tight end, in motion.
That might be Abdul Carter, number 95, right there in the middle. Oh, Metcalf's gonna slip. Bro, Metcalf basically juked me out by him slipping. And this indeed is Abdul Carter, who is gonna be blitzing. We're gonna put him right next to Jalen Carter. Can Abdul Carter get in there for a sack? It's gonna be Will McDonald. Not a TFL though. He got back to the line of scrimmage. They need a touchdown. They can't afford no touchdown. It is blown up at the 5, but he's gonna get down to the 4-yard line actually. Who is gonna step up big? We have a lot of young guns in this defensive front.
Third and short yardage, it's Rodgers.
It's gonna be Kyle Skronik for the touchdown. And so we have to get a game-winning drive from Josh Allen. This is what he does. He was born for games like these. CeeDee Lamb, he's gonna break 2 tackles. That is why I picked him.
Just shy of midfield. Plenty of time, all 3 timeouts left.
We can waste some clock. I mean, he just went out of bounds. We're gonna if he broke that tackle, that is a touchdown. But I wouldn't have taken the touchdown because, well, too much time on the clock. It's gonna be Jamar Chase for the first down. What a play. We're gonna scramble with Allen, and he's gonna get swallowed up by possibly the decoy. And I have not been paying attention to the clock. Timeout. 14 seconds.
They stop it with 14 seconds to go in the game.
Obviously, I was not paying attention to the clock because this game could potentially be over. And wait a minute, if I'm wrong, that guy's wide open. Hurdle! Oh my God! This could be the game. Breece Hall with 2 seconds on the clock. We are gonna win this game. It was an ugly game, but in the end, our run game was amazing. Breece Hall got the game starting touchdown and got the game ending touchdown. Carson Swaysinger gets an upgrade, deserves it, got a huge sack in, I believe, the 3rd quarter. And for the final game of the episode, we are going to be at home in New York again, hopefully with no rain, just good weather overall. And the Bills are coming to town. Gonna play the moment. So, here we go. Like I said in the roster building video, gonna try to make the actual game episodes shorter. I'm pretty sure the roster video is about 45 minutes. This one, by the looks of it, should be less than 20. And Brees Hall.
And a nice run there on first
Man.
down, getting 8. Setting up 2nd and 2.
Cooking him. Just cooking him on the run game. Also got the greatest wide receiver core of all time. And it's going to be holding.
But he may have gotten a little help along the way. This one's coming back.
Who's the penalty on? It's going to be holding on George Kittle. So instead of a touchdown, it'll be 2nd and 12 for the Bills 13.
Throwing on 2nd down. It's Allen.
CeeDee Lamb. Nowhere to go once he met the defenders.
But now a much more advantageous spot. Third and a yard. Allen.
It's going to be Jamar Chase. He's going to get blown up at the 1.
They rallied to the football defensively. Bring him down for no gain.
These are the worst. I had a couple
And
years,
we
Mike, where I
are
swear
gonna
I got
sneak
tackled
it
inside
from the 1.
1-yard line 10 times, and then you look back and you're like, man, how many touchdowns did I leave on the board because I couldn't get 1 more yard? Now, for him individually, not ideal. But
We are not going to sneak it.
doorstep.
Actually, we are going to get blown up at the 4. They sent an all-out blitz, and I should have known.
On the move.
Justin
at the
Fields'
14-yard line.
revenge game.
It's 1st and 10.
He was not wanted in New York. He was gladly
Working out of the
traded.
gun. It's Fields. That is hauled in.
Joey Porter can't wrap him.
He'll be taken down, but we have a chance for the first points of this game as they've set up 1st and goal. Cook
It's James Cook
into the end zone.
gonna walk it in and do one of Brayden's favorite celebrations. The Gritty.
2 minutes remaining. First half in a 7-0 game. We'll come back to MetLife Stadium after this. Third down, it's Allen. Taking off, he'll try to hold the ball.
Woo!
And
Man, you were lucky, Allen.
this is going to get out of bounds. So no turnover, and it's actually going to wind up a first down.
I really like this play.
Throwing now, Allen. And he can't hang on.
That was a very risky throw, but I mean, hey.
Good job defensively
Hey.
to meet him just as the ball was arriving.
Okay,
It'll bring up
2nd and
down.
10. Is that A.D. Mitchell? I think it is.
From the gun, Josh Allen. On the run to the right.
What a throw.
Get rid of it and complete it. The elusiveness on display there.
Okay, Josh
Setting
Allen.
up 1st and goal.
Joshua.
They go play action now. Here's Allen.
Wow. How many O linemen were there? About 3.
First down was
None of
very
them could
good.
guard
Here's 2nd
Brayden?
and goal.
None of them can guard Gregory.
Now they're going to have to regroup and try again on 3rd and goal. Operating out of the gun, here comes Allen. Moving to his right. He'll try and get there on the ground.
It's going to be 4th and goal from 11.
Nowhere near the
And
end
we just got to
zone
take our points.
as we
Got the
get
best
to
kicker
4th
in the
and goal.
game.
Auburn's kick is good. And the Jets are on the board just before halftime.
It's always a
We are back, everybody. Had to go do a quick little chore, but we are back. And I think Brayden is back as well.
So after back-to-back incompletions,
Is Brayden back?
Third and 10.
I've been here, gang. I was just on mute.
Oh.
I didn't notice that until just now.
This could potentially be a touchdown. It potentially is a touchdown. Oh no. Okay.
Out of the gun, here's Allen.
I tried to die for it. Instead, he probably broke a rib. Jeez.
Who's the
Oh, yeah.
Bills starting QB since they don't have...
Fields.
Oh, they got Justin Fields. Okay.
Brayden. So in the first game, got a game-winning touchdown with 2 seconds left.
He'll find his running back Cook. And that keeps him ahead of schedule. That's a first down completion of 7 yards. A 7-yard pickup. Here we go. Second and 3.
They are not going to snap it. They're going to take this into the fourth.
To the other end as we are through 3. You're watching the NFL on EA Sports. Here we go. Moore going in motion. Second down. It's Fields.
What the? You see? Did y'all see that? When I switched on to the defender, it just pulled him left. That's nice.
Allen on third down.
Really haven't passed it to George, so let's give him some love.
15 yards, the gain there. And the Jets have a first down. That's good for Jets. First down. Here's Allen to throw.
Best play in the game. Best tight end in the game. Potentially the best team in the game. But we got to lock in on defense. Better weather here today at MetLife. A better game between just the better matchup. I mean, who doesn't love a division matchup? I mean, a team could be 17-0 facing an 0-17 team, but it's a division matchup. And the 0-17 team could win. But it looks like the better overall team, which we are 1-0, they are 0-1, is going to win. We can just hold on to this. Which our run game, when I've done run plays, has been pretty good. Not right there, though. And I was just going to let it run with the 2-game warning. Obviously, the Bills don't want us doing that. But I'm going to call game right now. Jamar Chase to the grid. And he's going to hit the gritty. Look at that down. 2 defenders in the area. It don't matter. It don't get better than that. And our offense can't get much better than that. As long as something drastic doesn't happen, we have got this one in the bag. Will McDonald's gonna get in there. And we have the ball back. Josh Allen has his X factor. It's gonna be Breece Hall. 3 yards to go to make it a 17-point lead, and there we go. Breece Hall has been on a roll today. And they're down by 10. No possible way they win this, but we're just going to bring on our hands team. And it's going to be Smith. No timeouts. This game is over. Brayden Willis, a happy first-year coach. The Jets, 2 home games, 2 wins. Anything to say, Brayden?
That's all me.
That's
That
all
was
you?
all me.
That was all him. Gonna upgrade the players. Gonna sim to week 3. Episode 3 of this series will be against Tampa Bay and the Dolphins. Do you remember where y'all played? Looks like we're in Tampa Bay. And then week 4, we are in Miami. So, hope you enjoyed episode 2 of this Jets rebuild. Make sure to like and subscribe. Road to 70 subs. And the X2W boys are out. Peace.